So let us start with the KPI visual. So KPI is nothing but key performance indicator. So in Power BI, KPI is used to measure our goal. So are we making any progress towards our goal? For to check that, we use a KPI visual. So you can just read this beautiful documentation. You can see when to use the KPI. So it is like KPI are a great choice to measure the progress or answering the questions like what am I ahead or behind on? So am I ahead of my target or am I behind the target? So if you want to answer these questions, you can use a KPI visual. So it is like how far or how behind I am towards my target. You can use a KPI visual. So let me show you how you can use a KPI visual. So for that you can just click on this KPI visual. You get a KPI visual here. So let me take a sales amount in this visual. Let me take a sales amount. So it is not showing me anything. Let me take a date inside this trend axis. I'm getting something 12 million, but in actual, if you check your total sales in a card, it is showing 1173 million, but here you are getting 12 million. So why this is happening? So here in the trend you need to choose the date hierarchy. So once you change the date hierarchy, it is showing you as 92.31 million, but it is not matching with your total sales. I'll tell you why it is not matching. So to show that, let me take you a take slicer. So let me take slicer here and let me take a date inside the slicer. So you will get a scroller here inside a slicer, but I don't want this scroll here. I'll just change this to a date hierarchy. So to do that, let me come to this field option and you click on this arrow here and you click on date hierarchy. So once I click on that date hierarchy, your slicer will change to the hierarchical date. Like it is showing you 2013 and 2014. If I click on 2014, you can see that your sales are now matching. Okay. So in KPI, you are getting your current sales, so current year sale. So what I want to measure that, if I compare it with my previous year, hey, can you tell me, like if you compare my sales with the current year sale, can you tell me, am I ahead, like how much percent I am ahead with my previous sale? So if I check what is my previous sale, so my previous sale is 26.42 million. Yes, I am obviously ahead of the previous year's sale because my previous sales is only 26 million and my current year's sale is 92 million. How many percent you are ahead of your previous sale? So for that we are using a KPI. So let me show you how you can use. So for that we have taken the value as sales, we have taken a trend axis as a date. Now we need to take a target. So in this target I want to add a field and that should be your previous year's sale. So how to get a previous year's sale? I'll be taking a new measure, calculating a new measure. So just click on this, click on new measure, and I'll be using a DAX function to create a previous year's sale. So let me write previous year, previous year, and say that calculate sum of sum of the sales amount. Okay, I want to do sum of the sales amount, comma, I want to apply the filter previous month, or sorry, previous year, and I want to take a dates of that, dates dot dates. Let me close this. Let me close this bracket and press enter. So once you press and enter, you will be getting a new measure. It will show you the previous year's sale. Let us cross check it whether do we have that in a previous year or not. So if I click on this and convert to a card chart, and you can see if I click on 2014, your current year sale is 90.31 million and your previous year sale is 26.4. Beautiful. You can get a previous year sale. But when I click on 2013, I can get a 2013 sale. But here I'm getting blank because I don't have the previous year's data, that is 2012 data. That's why it is showing blank. So let me select this KPI visual, and in the target I need to set, okay, so this 92 million is my current sale. I want to see with respect to my previous year's sale. So let me drag this previous year and put it here. Now you can see beautiful a green color. So what does that green color means? Hey, that green color indicates that I am actually, my goal, previous year's goal was 26.42 million, but my sales is now 92.3631 million. I am actually 300% ahead of my previous year's sale. If you are behind or if your sales is less, then you will get a minus here and color will be red. So this is how your KPI visual in Power BI works. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you like content, please subscribe to my channel, like this video. Thank you again. Keep learning.
Sir,